Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aditi. I hope all of you guys are doing well and are staying at home. So in today's video, I'm gonna create this look right here using all my favorite products. These are the products that I use lately a lot. Whenever I'm wearing makeup, these are the products that I just go to, and yeah, I just love all of these products and I created this particular look using all those products today. So yeah, if you guys are interested in knowing what are the products that I love recently and also that how I got this look, then please continue watching. But before that, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel to watch more such content, and you can share this video with your family and friends. And now let's get started. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing that I'm going to apply is a moisturizer, and this moisturizer is love. Trust me, if you guys have been following me, you must know what my favorite moisturizer is lately. I'm talking about this moisturizer. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. This contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. I use this only, trust me. I'm not actually bothering to use any new moisturizer these days because this is so good, and I've been, I think, using this for more than, I think, 5 to 6 months now, and it's just there. I just don't feel like using any other moisturizer. And the best part about this moisturizer that this works equally good in winters and summers as well. So I just loved this moisturizer, and this also contains hyaluronic acid, which is amazing, and especially if you have dry skin, this is something you should definitely try because hyaluronic acid is what your skin need. The feel of this moisturizer is so good. I feel this is so comfortable, not at all sticky. If you have oily skin, you can definitely go for this moisturizer because this is so good. So my moisturizer is nicely absorbed now it's time for primer, and for primer I'm taking this Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer. This primer is very recent purchase, you guys. I think it's just been 14-15 days, and ever since I started using this primer, I just couldn't stop using this. I am totally in love with this primer these days. This is so good. This is a silicone based primer, best for if you have pores. So this is going to fill in your pores completely and gives you so much of, you know, that soft skin. And I'm just gonna apply this especially on my T-zone, like this area, and just pushing this right here because I have bigger pores on this particular area. So I just push the primer into my skin and I just then spread this all over my face. So this is an amazing primer. Just go for this. I highly recommend this primer if you have pore issue and you're, you know, willing to buy a primer which is in budget also. Just go for this primer, you guys. Trust me, this is not going to fail you. So now it's time for foundation, and for foundation I am taking this K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation. This is in the shade 130Y Medium. So this foundation, you guys, is so good. I think I'm gonna say this for all the products because obviously all of these products are my recent favorite, but especially this foundation, this is so good. If you have dry skin, just go for this foundation because this is so good. Super lightweight and will give you medium coverage, and if you don't have you know, so much of blemish and dark spots, this can actually work for you as a full coverage foundation, and that is why I love this. If you just build it up, this is going to give you the most beautiful, you know, finish. Just in love with this foundation. And yeah, I have my full review on this foundation. If you are interested, I will leave the, you know, link of the video in the description bar. You can check that out. But just love this foundation. This is how the consistency of this foundation. This is not super thick and not super thin, and beautiful foundation. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face, and I'm just gonna follow the dabbing motion to apply this foundation. So you can use a brush as well in case you don't have a beauty blender or you don't like the finish of a beauty blender. I just love the finish of a beauty blender when it comes to foundations. So I just apply, like most of my products, like all my, you know, cream products, I like to apply with the help of beauty blender. So I'm just tapping this all over my face. So I'm gonna build this foundation because I think I feel more coverage on some areas. The reason I dot the foundation all over my face is because you don't apply so much of product in one go. You can obviously build it up, but if you apply way too much foundation in just, you know, one go, it is kind of really tough to blend the foundation, and also, you know, just tone it down. That becomes so tough. So just go slow and build it up. So you can see the reason I love this foundation. This is the reason. This gives you so much of, you know, glow and that dewy finish, which is something I just love. I don't like matte finish foundations. If you have oily skin, you can definitely go for matte foundation, but I do already have, you know, really dry skin, so I just go for dewy foundations. And I also love the kind of look a dewy foundation gives, so I'm just gonna blend it out, and so beautiful. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, and this is in the shade 05 Medium Moine. This concealer, you guys, is so beautiful. I mean, this retails for 199 bucks only, and the quality of this product is so damn good. This is a perfect shade if you are close to my skin tone, so this is going to be a perfect shade for, you know, brightening your under eyes or any area on your face. And the quality of this product is so damn good. This is a high coverage concealer and beautiful finish. So I'm just gonna highlight my face using this, just my under eyes, and you don't actually need a lot of the product, just a little bit, and that would be enough, because as I said, this is high coverage, and trust me, you actually don't need to build it up, just like this, and that would be enough. I just dipped my wand once, and that is the amount of product that I got. I actually not gonna need more than this for my entire face. So again, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and start blending it out, and just following the dabbing motion. In few seconds you'll be able to see what I was actually talking about. Again, just dab it under your eyes as well, very lightly, very light, and blend it out. I'm just gonna take this, you know, like alongside my nose as well. And this is what I was talking about. You can see how instantly my under eye is looking so much brighter compared to this one, right? So damn good. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well, just blending it out. And whatever is left, I'm just gonna take that on my lid as well. I'm not taking any more product. The day when I started using this concealer, from then I just feel like whenever I'm doing makeup, I just go to this particular concealer, and then I realized that how much I love this. You guys know how much I love my LA Girl Pro Conceal, but these days I'm actually using this only, and I'm leaving that aside. So trust me when I say this, this is a beautiful concealer and worth investing. Just go for this concealer. This is so good. So my concealer is now properly blended, and I'm quickly gonna set my under eyes and my entire face, obviously using a powder. And for that, I'm using this Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact Powder, and this is in the shade Malin Matte. I'm gonna take the powder on my beauty blender just like this. Before I say anything, I'm quickly gonna set my under eyes, because that is the area which creases like insanely quickly, so you're gonna set it very fast. I'm just gonna take this on my beauty blender like this, and then just press it under my eyes, just like this. Doing the same thing on this side as well. So this powder, I would say I've been using for more than, I think, 2-3 years now, and I've tried, trust me, a lot of different compact powders. This is till date is my favorite. I just couldn't find anything better than this particular compact powder, and that is why I'm using this. So I'm just gonna take this and set my entire face, very little amount for my face, and then just lightly tapping this all over. So if your lids also crease, you can set your lids as well using the same powder. You don't need a lot of product, but yeah, if you have oily skin and you know a particular area where you get oily, just apply a lot of powder right there. Like this is the area where I get oily, especially in summers. My nose just, as I feel like, produces oil only, so I just apply a little too much of powder on my nose. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is this Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Bronzer, and this is in the shade 01 Toppy Topper. So I'm not gonna say a lot about this particular product. I'm just gonna show you what it actually does. So I'm just gonna take the product on my brush just like this, dusting off the excess because this is super pigmented and you don't wanna, you know, mess your face. So just take very little at first, and then I'm just gonna have it right here. You can see right now my face is pale and all over one shade. So just wait and just see. So you see that this side and this side. This product speaks for itself. This is such a beautiful bronzer. Just go for this bronzer, you guys. You can see that, right? I just showed you the difference it makes to your face. This just instantly, you know, gives you that warmth and that, you know, dimension that your face require. In love this particular product, and this is super affordable also, so just go for this bronzer. So good, and you actually don't need a lot of it. As I said, this is so pigmented, so very little goes a long way. So just tap the product just like this and then start blending very lightly. You know, I'm not putting so much pressure, because if I put so much pressure, you know, the product underneath would actually move. So you want to apply the lightest amount of pressure. I'm gonna use the same shade to contour my nose as well. This is such a beautiful shade. You can actually contour as well using the same shade. This is a perfect match of, you know, warm and cool undertones. This is not so warm, not so cool, and just really perfect. So you can do bronzing and contouring using the same powder. So just go for this one. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my jawline as well. Not too much, just a little bit. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is this K Beauty matte blush, and this is in the shade Soft Nude. Blush is so damn beautiful. I mean, I just don't want to apply, you know, any other blush the day I started using this particular one, because this is so good. This is buttery soft. Let me just give you a swatch of this. Can you see the pigment? I mean, this is insane. The finish of this blush, the pigment, you know, the blendability, everything, and the staying power as well. I've heard so many people saying that this doesn't actually stay on your face. I don't know why that happens to them, because this actually stays for a very long period of time on my face. So I have no issues whatsoever with this blush. This is such a bomb product, so just go for this. I highly recommend this blush to you guys. This is love. So as I said, this is super pigmented, and actually you don't need a lot of this. So I'm just gonna touch my brush and I'm just gonna show you the pigment, right? So just touching it, dusting off the excess, and then just seeing. And you can see the pigment and how beautiful this is looking. Again, I'm just taking this up to my temple and close to my nose. Now if you feel that you have applied a lot of blush, so what you can do is just take your beauty blender or brush that you applied your foundation with, and then just tap that over your blush, and that is just gonna instantly make it look so much more natural. So now it's time for my eyebrows, and for that I'm taking this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. So this is again a very recent purchase, and I actually bought a lot of product from Nykaa recently, and I have a haul video on that. So if you're interested, I'm just gonna leave the link of that in the description bar, so you can check that out. So this is the pencil that I bought from Nykaa, and this is so damn good. I think this retails for 65 bucks or something, and I bought it for 45 or 50 rupees, I think. So this is the amount you get. This is a lot of amount. I think this is 1.8 gram of product for 45 bucks, and the pigment of this is so damn good. You know, the right amount of pigment that you actually need for your brows. So this is so damn good. So I'm just gonna firstly brush through my brows using a spoolie so that my brow hair is nicely combed. Now I'm going to take my pencil, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line under my brows, just giving it a, starting to giving it a shape. So just line under here, and then just following the direction of natural hair growth. That is what I always say, that you don't want to go in opposite direction, just follow the natural hair direction, natural hair growth direction, and that is how you will get a really natural looking brows. I am gonna line right here as well, just giving my brows a shape, and then just filling in all the gaps. And from here your brow hair grows in this direction, right, just like this vertically. So just follow that direction only. Again, I'm gonna take my spoolie and just lightly gonna comb my brow hair one more time, so that if there is any excess product, the spoolie will take that off, and the product will also be, nicely and evenly spreaded throughout my brows. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side as well. So now for my eyes, I'm taking this Nikake makeup eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Poison Apple. So this palette, you guys, is so damn good. This is super affordable, super pigmented, super blendable, and amazing. And especially this particular shade right here, I am in love with. This is such a beautiful pink shade. Ever since I tried this particular shade, I just feel like wearing this again and again and again. I just, trying to create different looks using this shade. So I am just in love with this particular shade, and this all in all, this particular eyeshadow palette as well. These days I just love this particular palette, and yeah, I have a full review video on Nikake eyeshadow palette, not this one but the other palette, that is the Autumn Spice palette. So if you guys are interested, then you can check that out. The link will be in description bar. So I'm gonna use this one particularly today. So the first shade that I'm gonna take is this shade right here, which I said is such a beautiful pink shade. So I'm gonna take this on a blending brush, a flat blending brush like this, and dusting off the excess, and then I'm just gonna use this as my transition shade. Can you see the pigment, you guys? I mean, this is so damn good, right? And the price that you're paying for this palette is just so damn affordable. I mean, I don't know how these brands are doing this, like Swiss Beauty, Nikake. These brands are giving you such amazing products and so affordable. I just don't know how they're doing it, but I am just in love with this particular palette these days. I'm gonna take this beautiful shade right here. This is a dark pink shade, or I think this is a mix of pink and purple. So I'm just gonna take this on a smaller blending brush like this, and again I'm gonna apply this on my crease, but just a little lower than this particular shade. So this will define my crease a little more. I'm applying that dark pink shade on the outer corner as well, and on the inner corner. Now I'm taking this beautiful champagne shade on my finger. The shimmer is just hopping beautifully, right? And I just took very little amount of this, and this is the kind of pigment this is giving. I'm just taking that dark pink shade, and I'm just gonna blend the corners like this, the edges. For my lower lash line, again I'm taking this dark pink shade, and I'm just gonna apply this very close to my lash line. And then this pink shade. Now I'm quickly gonna do my other eye and be right back. So both my eyes are done. Now for liner, I'm taking this e.l.f. liner, and this is in the shade Jet Black. So the reason I love this liner is because this is extremely black. So you can see this right here. This is the swatch of this liner. This is extremely black. So you can see how black this liner is, and that is why I love this liner so much. So now I'm going to quickly complete the look, and for that I'm using a mascara. And for that I'm taking this mascara. This is the Maybelline New York, the Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara. So this is how the wand of this mascara looks like. This is quite a fluffy and a big wand, and this mascara gives beautiful, length and volume. If you don't like to apply, falsies, just go for this mascara because this is gonna give you that, the look that you are wearing falsies. So how you wanna apply this? Just wiggle a little and then blink. So this is how you apply your mascara. Just wiggle and close your eye, wiggle and blink, just like this. On my lower lashes as well. Just be very careful because the wand is very thick, so just be careful. Now for highlighter, I'm taking this highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Powder, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. So for this highlighter, I think I really don't need to say anything because this is not only my favorite, but actually this is a cult favorite highlighter. I bought this few months back, and that is why this is in my recent list. This is a very old, I think, product, and this is such an amazing highlighter. If you want a blinding look, go for this. If you want a subtle look, go for this. This is so good. You can definitely build it up and get a blinding highlighter look and a subtle look as well, and that is why I highly recommend this. This is super affordable, super good quality. You get a lot of product, and you are, trust me, not gonna finish this very soon. This is gonna sit in your vanity for years and years and years because you just need a little amount of this. So I am just gonna take this on a brush like this, just a little bit of this, dusting off the excess, and then I'm just gonna hit it on the highest points of my face. So right here on my cheekbone, and then whatever is left on my brush, I'm just lightly gonna touch that on the tip of my nose and a little bit on the bridge and on my chin as well. So now for lips, I'm taking this lip liner. This is the PAC lip liner in the shade Coffee. This lip liner, you guys, is so good. Let me just give you a swatch of this. This is such a beautiful shade. This glides beautifully on your lips, not at all drying. You can apply this only on your lips and be ready to go, and such a beautiful shade and formula. You can see this shade is so beautiful on its own. You can just wear this lip liner and just call it a day. This is such a beautiful like brownie nude shade. So now it's time for the last product of today's video, that is a lipstick. So my favorite lipstick these days is this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the shade 19 Nude Twist. So this is such a beautiful nude brown shade. I just love this lipstick, the formula, the shade. This is such a beautiful lipstick. So I'm just gonna apply this on top of that lip liner. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I really love how this look has turned out. This is actually very bold, I know, and I personally also don't wear these kind of looks, but this pink is just something which I love these days so much, and I just try to create different looks using this pink shade particularly, and I really love how this look has turned out. I know we have nowhere to go and I have to wash this makeup off right after I'm done with shooting, but yeah, I love how this look has turned out. You can definitely wear this look with any Indian or Western outfit. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and love the look as well. So yeah, that is what I have today for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and I love you guys all so much. Bye bye.